So, compensation for missed work and pain and suffering are both usually damages that can be recovered.
One is economic damages. The other is non-economic damages. Economic damages are things like medical bills, lost wages, out-of-pocket expenses. Maybe you're injured so badly that you're not going to be able to work in the future, or maybe you have to take another job making less money. So those future losses as well. Maybe you're so badly injured, you're going to need ongoing medical care and somebody needs to pay for that. So all of that falls under the category of economic damages. And then there's the category of non-economic damages. That's pain, suffering, maybe there's disfigurement, scarring, maybe anxiety, mental distress, frustration, and inconvenience. Because in my experience, those are not pushed enough in cases, or the insurance companies don't like to recognize them. Then have to take time out of your day, multiple days a week sometimes, to go to physical therapy, to go to doctor's appointments. So I think that those are areas of non-economic damages that I would like to see lawyers push harder on, because we all know that, well, I like to say to my kids, when I think they're doing something reckless or dangerous, stop. But imagine if you're seriously injured, having to go often for treatment. What a disruption that is.
So, compensation for missed work and pain and suffering are both usually damages that can be recovered.
And that's why you want to get a lawyer involved, because most people aren't aware of all the different avenues of damages that you can utilize and that you should be compensated for. Somebody who wasn't being careful, or maybe was being reckless, came along and disrupted your life, and you were doing nothing wrong. And that's why we have the system we have.